Yesterday I got a comment that how did you create a Zoom test not shown in video from Yusuf Hussein Ahmed. I'm just making this video for you from start. Uh, let's go back to our software. The Zoom test form will be linked with our subtest list. This one is our subtest list. So I will go to create a form and I can create here, but I preferred here the model dialog. It's ready-made and everything is clear on this form. If I run, it's a very simple form. It don't have any record selector or buttons, etc. So I preferred this one. I will keep its name Zoom 3. For example, its name is Zoom 3. I will go into design mode, right click on the form and go to properties, and in record source I will choose here the subtest list table. Here I will link it with sublist, and then I will go to the existing fields, and here I will select all these fields and bring over here, and then I will set them as I require. For example, here is the test name, its unit, and its reference ranges. For example, here if I run, it is a simple Zoom test form. Now what I will do, I will close this one and then go to my um, test list form. Here I will go to design mode again, and in sub form of sub tests, once I already applied on test name, another one I will try to apply on unit. So right click here, go to properties, and in format section, the properties of this unit, scroll down and find the is hyperlink field. Here is hyperlink. Here is the is hyperlink. So if I say yes, the color of this unit text will be changed to blue. As you can see, it is now hyperlink. Hyperlink means it convert it into the button. So now I will go to the event tab, and on click event, here I will add a macro. Here I will say just open form. The form name is Zoom 3, as just I created. Now if I saved it and run it again and click on the anyone anyone's unit, then you can see that the Zoom form is opening, but the specific record is not opening. For example, I am clicking here on the WBC count. If I click, then the HB is opening because we didn't give it the where condition. So what is the where condition here? This is our main test. uh, Let me explain. This is our main form, which name is test list F, and this is our subtest list form. We will go to again the unit on click event, and here where we say the open zoom 3, here we are going to add the where condition. The where condition will be applied on the basis of, if I go to zoom test and design view, and then show you that STNO is the different number inside the subtest list. The TNO is the different number here because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. But the TNO is a repeating number. For example, this one is 111, 222. So we are targeting the STNO number here. So again, we will go to the macro, and in where condition, I'm trying to write here STNO is equal to forms exclamation sign the test list f, and the inside test list there is a subtest small one form, and then I'm trying to stno. Here is the stno once again, because the both forms have stno, which is the common number of for them. This one subform is already a form of, here is the record sub test list. Same for this one, and for the zoom 3 which I made are same. This one is the subtest. It means that one table have two different tables. This one is single form, and this one is continuous form. Single form showing one record on one form, and the continuous showing multiple records on one form. As you can see that subtests WBC etc are the different records on one form. But here, but this one showing the single record, which we can say that it's a zoom test. It is actually single record. So if I go to the design mode and then drag here and make some buttons like this, go to next record, and one more to previous, and run it, then same form is showing me the multiple records but not in continuous mode. So here is the zoom test. Now let's check the code which I type once again. Sorry, test list. Now I'm trying to click on the platelet count. So as you can see that the platelet count is open in zoom test. Let's check one more, eosinophils. As you can see that the eosinophil is open. But now the question is, if I click on the unit, then how the same record is opening? Because here, if I drag the test name down, there is STNO number existing here, but we just hide it. I didn't delete it. If I delete this one STNO, for example, and put the name again back here, run my file and try to open the may this work or maybe this not work. Let's save again, save it. Okay, it's same working because it refers this record of the stno. If I delete this one, maybe this also work. Okay, this one same was working. So the unit also refers same stno number. Let's check one more. For example, this one, type o Vidal. Okay, this is the zoom test uh, explanation for you. Thank you for watching.